Thanks for popping in to the first episode of Season 2 of ThrillMouseMoto. Going to take us back a little bit. Past couple episodes have been kind of current with our actual timeline, but wanted to show this rainy day ride where Ryan and I meet up with our homeboy, Tomas. Find him on Instagram. I'll put it below. He's a photographer, and we wanted to get some pretty cool shots of the ThrillMouseMoto merch. A couple of hats we had. We did some giveaways with. Pretty much made them for ourselves. Got hooked up by Mr. Stitch It Up. So wanted to show it. It was fun. You'll see the pictures on Instagram. ThrillMouseMoto. So like I said, been kind of current with it. Definitely wanted to show the Dreamland episode in Dripping Springs that we did last. That was episode 50. Concluded season 1. Really the main thing was finally getting to 1,000 subscribers. So that was a pretty sweet thing for us. Still got to do some type of like live stream celebration party thing for you guys. Try to get at least 3 of us together at Kevin in the ThrillMouseMoto garage and get some questions answered. I get a lot of stuff through email, so I got pretty much a list of stuff that I like to clarify all on one video, so look forward to that.
That's a drag. Good thing it's not raining like really hard right now and we're waiting on the train. Good thing we're not, look at this bark. Good thing it's not raining real hard right now. Do my bars look different? They look different when I'm riding?
That whole part there was to give us some context to where I'm at or where I was on the Ryker. I just put the ProTaper handlebars on, and then I currently had the RLS exhaust Predator on here. So you know now that I have the Stealth, which we once called the Prototype. I have a couple of videos on that, but this is still with the Predator on there. So I wanted to let you give a good full-on listen with the audio on that.
What's up, dog? Yeah.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Oh, Thomas, this is Ryan.
I think I met you before. You look familiar.
I'm not sure.
I was
Maybe.
here a few months ago. What happened to the bus in the rain?
Well, it was kind of like this. So it's weird the way aerodynamics work, I guess, when it's sprinkling like this. I mean, the helmet, it's basically whatever drips off the helmet is where you get wet.
Oh, it felt great.
Because I've been in the rain, and like my shirt will be wet like this, and then my pants will be dry. It's weird.
Yeah. This jacket, man, it blocks all the wind. I felt
Nice.
warm.
Hell yeah. You know what's crazy is I went to I rode Kevin's 900 with his Madstat windshield the other night for like, it might be the first time I actually rode it. Like I rode it to Walmart and back to get some zip ties to do the lights. And doesn't it feel like it's gonna rip your shirt off? Like, how did you like it? Because
I don't remember that, but
it just seemed like the wind was being directed like in weird ways. Because normally I'm used to the wind just like pushing on me.
yeah.
And then now it's like it was,
Yeah.
the wind was going through my sleeves, like it was not going here, so it was going around it and doing weird stuff. And I felt like I was wearing a parachute. I thought I was supposed to be the opposite of that, dude. Huh.
Yeah, definitely has to push that wind somewhere.
I think I'm gonna just think about it some more. Like, I want something to help the wind, but I don't want it redirected. I might be already used to it, and I don't care. What you think?
Pretty cool. I like it.
Yeah, the guy we were speaking to on the patio, he liked them a lot. He's just like, man, those things look cool. We were just talking about how fun those must be to ride. Which is actually what we get, like, a lot. I was asking some people on a group chat, and I was like, what are some of the most common things? And it was like, that people say to you when you're on your Ryker, and it was the same thing every time. It was like, those look like fun. Those look like fun. So.
Those look like fun. How much do they cost?
Yeah, that was the second question. How much do those things run?
Yeah, we actually plan on doing a video pretty soon where we kind of address a lot of the stuff we hear as Ryker owners. If you have one, I'm sure you hear all the same stuff and definitely could relate to what we just said. But we got Tomas there doing the magic, man. That dude is skilled. Like I said, see the pictures on Instagram. I actually posted them a while ago, but they're in there. Plus, you're already following me, right? But you definitely got to follow my boy Tomas, getting them cool pics on there. They ended up having like a real cool vintage look. We actually squeezed up in there too and got some cool glamour shots done to close up on Ryan's helmet there. But yeah, we had a good time, and I definitely wanted to show it, and it was, trying to give you guys a quick one. I've been kind of doing 20-minute, a little bit over 20 minutes. Of course, we got some hour ones and some cool stuff, but going back to the roots, man. Hey, it's the first episode of season 2, so this is kind of the style of what we used to do. Definitely stepping it up still, not trying to go backwards or anything, but hey, full circle type stuff, and you'll kind of relate to that with the very last part I put on there. But this was the first, getting barked at by a dog on the side of the truck. Look at him there. I was like, why do I hear a dog? It's like, now I'm riding through a neighborhood, and then he came up behind us, and I had to get another cool shot coming back on there. But big shout out to Tomas for hooking it up with the shots. Awesome work, definitely, by Mr. Stitch It Up. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to ThrillMouseMoto. I was paid to say this since Barry said he felt kind of weird asking. He also wanted me to say Baja Blast slams and yeah dog, ThrillMouseMoto.